our last song, man. This is our oldie but a goodie. We were Simple playing on Warped Tour 2011. We played with them way back in the day. Remember Warped Tour? Come on. I know this crowd remembers Warped Tour. I miss that shit, man. Whoa. Wait, stop. Let's do this again. Let's do it right. Let's do it. You guys ready? We got one more song left for you guys. You guys ready? This song's called The Permanent Rain, man. If you know the words, let's sing along. Put your hands together to this beat right here. Here we go. Come on, everybody. Let's do it right. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching us. Here we go. So what's in chains and what's all about? I know to speak your name, but what's time right now? I can't stop praying to hear me play. Know that I'll be with you that someday. When I lost my home, when I just tried, oh, what's the lie? I left this time, like I was something in the atmosphere. Another reason I'll be the sky. Not tonight, and I put all this out. Get out of this town, wanna make you proud, but I really don't know how. No son, I'll be hearing me say, wish it was me in the crowd that day. But something made me stop, thinking what you said, and that's a lie. I'm a silly kid, what was all these things are growing up in me. Music on the road, screaming all the sins and so let's start home, looking out the sky. I'm a lucky time, looking out the sun with me. I'm a thing, another reason I'll be the sky. Not tonight. Denver, let's hear it, come on. It's been a goddamn pleasure seeing you.